We have a first alert weather day in place for severe storms and a flooding risk as we go throughout our day. But right now we are seeing cloud cover and a little bit of blue sky peeking through from our sky cam in Emporia, sponsored by Washburn University. As we take a look at that Prairie Bank Casino and Resort Live storm tracker, much of the shower and storm activity from the morning round has actually popped up to the south of our area, which isn't a good thing, as this will allow more heating to take place as these clouds clear out throughout our morning into our afternoon, as our current temperatures are already in the 70s throughout northeastern Kansas, so not really getting those temperatures stunted at all right now. And our dew points are also high, providing necessary storm energy for storms to form as we go into our afternoon, as well as we are already seeing them in the 60s and 70s. So feeling a little bit humid to start out your day outdoors. Our current wind speeds are also coming from the south now as that warmer air pushes in between around 5 to 10 miles per hour. I do want to give you the first alert that we will have a first alert weather day in place for severe storms and a flooding risk as we go today into tonight. As we track out that risk, clouds start to clear out as we go into our afternoon, and we're seeing wind changes as well behind that first round of storms. And then as we go into this afternoon, we start to see increased cloud cover and then start to see storms firing up from the north to the south. And we will see some supercells and clusters of cells pop up ahead of the main line that we will see move through the area as we go towards the late evening into the overnight hours, and maybe even some showers as well behind the main line before we start to clear out going into your Sunday morning with sporadic cloud cover and maybe a couple showers as well. As a result, we have an enhanced 3 out of 5 severe storm risk in place from the Storm Prediction Center for large hail up to golf ball size, potentially damaging winds up to 60 to 80 miles per hour, which would meet the destructive threshold that we would go on air for, and a tornado or two. So a couple tornadoes will be possible as well, maybe even a few. We could see also rainfall that could cause a flooding risk between around 1 to 2 inches through Sunday morning, with localized areas that may be higher up to 4 inches. So we don't need this rain, as we've already had a ton of rain over the past 2, 3, 4 weeks, and it is not a sight that is pleasant to see from the models. And as a result, we have a flood watch in place until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. for much of east central Kansas, from around Topeka down to Burlington and Coffee County. So that's something we need to watch out for as well. I also want to give you the first alert that we will see mild and drier conditions Sunday through Tuesday. And I also want to give you the first alert that we will see warmer air as well, with next storm chances coming Wednesday after this round today. Our temperatures will trend below average behind that front that moves through with these storms, but then we will rise into the 90s once again, above average by Wednesday. We also will see rain chances drop off quite a bit after our scattered to widespread storms today, and then we will rise and see those rain chances once again be widely scattered to scattered by Wednesday. We do have that possible chance for severe weather Wednesday that's been highlighted by the Storm Prediction Center. Today's forecast overall, I am predicting it to be in the 80s with storms. Tonight, storms continue early and will be in the 50s and 60s. Tomorrow will be in the 70s, and we will see partly cloudy skies. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast. We do have that first alert weather day in place.